Hi everyone. We're going to explore 50 English names of fruits. Let's get started. This is apple. A sweet red or green fruit rich in vitamin C and fiber. This is banana. A long yellow fruit rich in potassium and energy. This is orange. An orange citrus fruit high in vitamin C. This is mango. A tropical sweet fruit with yellow or orange flesh. This is pineapple. A tropical spiky fruit with sweet and tangy taste. This is watermelon. A large juicy fruit with red flesh and black seeds. This is papaya. A tropical fruit with sweet orange flesh and small black seeds. This is strawberry. A small red fruit with a sweet and slightly sour taste. This is blueberry. A small blue-purple berry rich in antioxidants. This is grape. A small round fruit eaten fresh or used to make wine. This is peach. A soft-skinned fruit with sweet, juicy flesh. This is pear. A bell-shaped sweet and juicy fruit. This is plum. A small purple or red fruit with a sweet tart taste. This is lime. Similar to lemon but smaller and green. This is cherry. A small red fruit, sweet or tart depending on variety. This is avocado. A green soft fruit rich in healthy fats and fiber. This is guava. A tropical fruit with sweet flesh and many seeds. This is pomegranate. A fruit filled with small sweet red seeds. This is coconut. A tropical fruit with fresh water and rich white meat. This is dragon fruit. A pink tropical fruit with white or red flesh and black seeds. This is durian. A strong-smelling fruit with soft, sweet flesh. This is jackfruit. a large tropical fruit with thick, sweet flesh. This is fig, a soft fruit with naturally sweet flavor. This is lychee, a small tropical fruit with rough red skin and sweet white flesh. This is rambutan, a hairy tropical fruit similar to lychee. This is melon, a sweet juicy fruit with a fragrant aroma. This is cantaloupe, a melon with rough skin and orange flesh. This is blackcurrant, a small black berry with a sharp sour taste, rich in vitamin C. This is raspberry, a small pink-red fruit, sweet and slightly tart. This is cranberry, a small red sour fruit often used in juice. This is apricot, a small orange fruit with a mild sweet taste. This is persimmon, a sweet soft fruit with orange flesh. This is olive, a small green or black fruit used for olive oil. This is tangerine, a small, sweet citrus fruit with loose skin that is easy to peel. This is nectarine, a smooth-skinned fruit similar to a peach, juicy and sweet. This is passion fruit, a round fruit with a tough rind and a tangy, aromatic, seed-filled pulp. This is star fruit, carambola, a yellow-green fruit that forms a star shape when sliced, crisp with a mildly sweet tart flavor. This is mulberry, a small, elongated berry that grows on trees, usually dark purple or red with a sweet taste. This is gooseberry, a small round berry that can be green, red, or yellow, known for its tart and refreshing flavor. This is breadfruit, a large tropical fruit with starchy flesh, often cooked and used like potatoes or bread. This is soursop, graviola, a spiky green fruit with soft white flesh that tastes sweet and slightly tangy. This is longan, a small brown fruit with translucent sweet flesh, similar to lychee. This is currant, red currant, a bright red berry with a juicy, sour flavor, often used in jams and desserts. This is quince. A hard, aromatic yellow fruit usually cooked into jams or jellies due to its firm texture. This is mandarin. A type of sweet, easy-peeling citrus fruit, smaller than an orange. This is boysenberry. A large, dark berry that is a hybrid of blackberry and raspberry, sweet with a slight tartness. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. See you in the next one.